Hi guys, I hope you are all doing well. Let's see today's question. So today's question is from the topic of integrals, and in this question we have been said that a function f of x is 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x, and there is one more function that is g of x that is given by log of x to the base e basically, and we have asked to find the integral that goes from the limit of minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 g of f of x dx, right? So we need to find the value for the entire integral that is asked to us. So before finding the value of this integral, first let's try to find out g of f of x. So g of f of x means we need to substitute the value of f of x in the function g of x. So instead of x, now I'll have to write the entire function. So basically it becomes log of f of x to the base e, or I can also write that as log of 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x. Right? So this is my g of f of x. So now my entire question changes to I. Let's say I is my integral that I need to find out the value for. It goes from minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. And instead of g of f of x, I can just write this as log of 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x dx. Right? So now we can just solve this idea and find the value of this integral I. So I if I want to solve this further, I'll write this I is equal to minus pi by 4 to pi by 4 in the limits. And we had log of 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x dx. Now here I can use the idea which you would have studied in the properties of integration that says integral a to b f of x dx. I can also write this f of x as a to b f of a plus b minus x dx. Right? So I can put in the limits a plus b in the function. So same idea if I go for this integral of minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x dx is equal to having the same limits in the integration from minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. Now, if I want to write the same function, it becomes actually f of minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus x dx. So this gets cancelled, you get it as minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 and f of minus x dx. So basically now in the entire function that we got for g of f of x, instead of x, it is also equal to f of minus x. So instead of x, I can substitute the entire values of x as minus x here. So now if I write this same I, it will now become minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of 1 minus minus x cos of minus x upon 1 plus minus x and cos of minus x dx. So now we know one idea that cos of negative angle is also positive. So cos of minus theta is also cos theta. So I now changes to minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 log of 1 minus of minus x becomes plus x. Cos of minus x is cos x. Denominator 1 minus x, cos of minus x is again cos x dx, right? So I get two equations. Let's name them. So let's say this is my equation 1, this is my equation. So now if I add both of these ideas, both of them are same I. So if I add them, I get I plus I is equal to integral minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, and the function was log of 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x, and other was minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4, and here I had 1 plus x cos x in the numerator and 1 minus x cos x in the, so dx. Now this becomes 2y, that's equal to, if I see both of them integrals have the same limits, so I'll take those limits common with the dx. So what I'm left with is log of a plus log of b in the function. So we already know the idea that log a plus log b can be written as log of a into b, right? So I can write this entire function as log of n in a into b. So log of 1 minus x cos x upon 1 plus x cos x multiplied with 1 plus x cos x upon 1 minus x cos x. So what I can do here is I can just cancel out this, and I can just cancel out this. So what I get, log of 1 dx. That log of 1 to the base e, we know it as 0. So I get, therefore, the value of I is equal to 0 by 2, that is also 0. So the answer for the question which we get here, that was asked to us, that was minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4 g of f of x dx. It's equal to 0. But if you see the options in this question, there is no such option where it is mentioned as 0. But if you see here, the option C in this case, so in that we have been given log of 1, and log of 1 to the base e is always 0. So that also tells us we can write this 0 as log of 1. So that's why the option that is correct here in this question, that is C. I hope you have understood how to solve this type of questions, which involve the concepts that you would have studied in integration also, as well as functions also, because we needed to use that idea of functions to convert this g of f of x. Once we got g of f of x, we just needed to use this property of integration, right? Once we use this, we directly got them added, and these two functions which were there in log got cancelled. You get log of 1, and that gives you the value of I that was asked to us as 0. So that is our correct answer, C. I'll meet you again tomorrow with the next question. Till then, you can subscribe to my videos, like and share these videos with your friends who are also involved in preparation of IIT JEE mains as well as advanced. Thank you.